Hey guys, Hayden here from Willatech, and today I have a $900 gaming PC build. So it's been about 2 weeks since I've made another video, and it's because I've had some tonsil problems and just haven't really been able to talk. So yeah, and this is a $900 gaming PC build for April of 2015. And the link for all the parts is on your screen right now and down in the description below if you want to check it out and maybe buy the parts and build it yourself. So, for the processor, we have the Intel Core i5 4690K 3.5 gigahertz processor. It's unlocked so you can overclock it, maybe up to like 4 gigahertz, 4.1. And it's quad core and has the LGA 1150 sockets. Yeah, and now on to the motherboard. We have the Gigabyte GA Z97X Gaming 7 ATX motherboard. Supports up to 32 gigabytes of DDR3 3200 RAM, has 6 gigabyte SATA ports, has onboard USB 3.0 headers, and Crossfire SLI and RAID support. So really good motherboard. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it. For the RAM, we have 8 gigabytes, that's two 4 gigabyte sticks of G-Skill Ripjaw X series DDR3 2133 RAM. And yeah, it's pretty good RAM. I mean, it's pretty fast. It's not like the DDR3 1600 I usually use in my builds, but yeah, it's good. And not that expensive. For the storage, we have a Western Digital 1 terabyte Caviar Blue hard drive. It's clocked at 7200 RPM. And we also have a Toshiba Q series SSD, 128 gigabytes, and yeah, I mean, it's not the best SSD ever, but it'll get the job done. If you want to put maybe your operating system on it, a couple of games you don't want to have on your main disk. Toshiba's not the best company, like Kingston, Samsung are probably your better bets for an SSD, but you can upgrade if you want. Now for the graphics card, we have the MSI GeForce GTX 960. It has 2 gigabytes of GDDR3 VRAM. It is clocked at 1.22 gigahertz, has 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, and 1 DVI port on it. So great for gaming. It's really powerful, and yeah, I think it's like $200. I don't have the exact prices because they change, but yeah, solid graphics card. It has GDDR5, so it's pretty good. It can run those games if you want it. I mean, I don't have benchmarks or anything, but it is a good graphics card. Let's just leave it at that. And for the power supply, we have Corsair CX750M, 750 watts on my module ATX power supply. It is 80 plus bronze certified, so yeah. And finally, to tie the whole thing together, we have the Thermaltake Versa H21 window case. It has front USB 3.0 ports, 3 external 5.25 inch bays, 3 internal 2.5 inch bays, and 3 internal 3.5 inch bays. So yeah, that's about it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and yeah, feedback so appreciated down in the comment section below. Bye.